Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the DEXE, which is also known as the DEXE. What is the DEXE? Well, it's a platform that allows you to copycat successful traders. If you're interested, check out their website. I'm gonna dive into the pricing here, and in this episode, we're gonna have a look at a simulated bear run and a simulated bull run of what could happen to the price. It will really depends on what you feel. And guys, let me know also if you have any questions regarding this crypto asset down below the comments. I really am curious to know what you think about the DEXE. I basically trade since already 4 years. For those of you that do not know me, for the new ones here, you can check out all of my flips right here for my crypto tradings. I've made them public so that you can follow me. Already 41 followers. Thank you so much to everyone. The link is down below to follow me. And if you have any specific questions, guys, for the crypto asset, let's say you have any other crypto assets that you're holding, I'm not talking about in Crypto Intel, well, you can message me on Patreon. At the same time, you would be supporting the community and you will have access to the VIP community right here where people are actually talking and discussing a lot about different crypto assets that we're not covering in the show. So if you want to talk and interact with the community, it's all happening there, all while feeling great and supporting me and the community. I would really appreciate that. All right, so let's check it out here. As you can see here, it's currently being priced at 15 bucks, 15.20 to be exact. And it just slumped from a high of 17 bucks. So we did see like this double. Let me just make this bigger for you. All right, so we just went through this like double tower right here for the candlesticks, and as you can see, it dumped. And I think definitely it will keep on dumping because the price is not right yet. Just like a lot of crypto assets are currently dumping on the marketplaces, this thing will probably reach anywhere from 13 to 12.5 in price in the next following hours. Like we were talking about the next 8 hours, it's probably gonna keep on dumping because it did live through a huge pump here. Like we're talking about a pump as big as 35%. But it's okay, guys. If you're still at the top and holding, if you're watching this video, what you can do is definitely let it go, and I'll show you why. Don't go crazy on me, but if you do let it go, there's gonna be some nice little gains that are potentially to be capped here. And by the way, guys, this is for if you are feeling very bearish. Let's just check out the market here if there are other bearish people. So as you can see, most of them are bullish. Like we're looking at the the bidding table right here, the sell orders, the buy orders. This is the sell order book feeling. So they're feeling like placing 148,000 tokens on the table, and they're thinking it's gonna go to approximately plus 63%. While there's not a lot of people buying, they're thinking actually it's gonna go to minus 43% in. These are the bears right here. So you got the bulls and the bears sitting on the other side of the table. So let's just simulate this, guys, just so that we see approximately how many gains we can do on a bounce. So let's say that we do let go. Let's say I let go at the top when I see the twin towers here. No, like this is not referring to whatever you're thinking. Like these are two candlesticks that are towering right here, and basically, if it, for example, fell from 16 bucks, let's say I would have taken the long position here. Sorry, the short position is when you sell. So when you take the short position at the top, meaning that you sell your crypto asset, you're not holding it anymore. So it's still a position within the crypto asset. Basically, it's there to make gains, this type of position. So if you let it go and you cap it down low, if you're feeling bearish again, let's see how much we can simulate in gains on a bounce. So let me just go here in the dashboard and create a flip chain for you guys in my demo. Okay, I'm already in my demo workspace. So I'm gonna switch here over to create a flip chain in the demo, and then it's gonna be USDT, and it's the DEXE. Whoops, sorry about that. There you go. All right, so DEXE demo. We are on the 27th. Okay, and it is a bearish feeling. So let me just create this one. There we go. So it's here. Now I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna add a flip to the chain. So imagine that I sold at the position of 16, as I said. So let's say I was there, I sold. So already, if I would have sell, 16 at the 16 price, well, the price now would be 15.30. So my gain would be 4.35 already. So as it keeps on going down, guys, as it keeps on going down, and probably will, until approximately, I'm seeing like anywhere from like 14 to 12. So let's say it falls down to 12. So 12.7. So let me see here. I'm gonna add another flip to the chain, and I'm gonna buy it at a lower price of 12.7 approximately. So this is what would happen if I would purchase it on Binance in my trade orders. So I would just need to punch it in here so that I can see the trade delta. So you see here, this is the compound so far. So this is the price difference from 16 to 12.7%. I would have a nice little discount of 25%, which is not bad, right? It's a huge slump, and it's a great slump also to have. So let's say that I keep on going, and I would sell. One moment. So let's say that I would let it bounce. So from 12.7 to approximately the current price where it is, I would say it would bounce back like maybe to 15 bucks approximately. So let me go back to my flip chain. I'm gonna add the flip to the chain. So 15 bucks, I would take the sell position here, and I'll add the flip to the chain, and boom, you just added yourself a price difference of 18%. So from here to here, there's 18.11% in price difference. So this is your gain. So if you add this difference here plus this difference here, it compounds into 44% in gains, guys. This is amazing. And this is just in a matter of a few hours. Like I'm talking about, 8 to 12 hours. If you're feeling bearish. Now, if you are feeling bullish, I do think that it will still go down to the previous support level right here. Let me simulate a bullish flip chain for this crypto asset right here. So let me go back to new flip chain, and this is in the demo USDT, and we're gonna try out yet again the DEXE, and this is a bullish demo. There you go. So let me open up this card here and add a flip to the chain. So what happens here is that it would probably still fall just a bit in price if you're feeling bullish about this, to approximately 14, or yeah, approximately 14. So, to its previous support levels right here at 14. And why am I saying this? Well, look, you see here you had 1 and 2 and 3 days of purchases. So this is why I feel much more bullish about this crypto asset than I feel bearish. Like, I definitely think that it still might sell just a bit to complete this red candlestick / pipe for you. It will probably go up until here, so it becomes in equilibrium with the green one. So as it does, it will probably start greening yet again. So I definitely feel bullish about this crypto asset. So let's see here. As it goes up, as it pumps, let's say it pumps all the way like from 15. So let's say I buy it right now, whatever, let me just put it at 15 bucks. Sorry. So there you go. Is that the price right now? Let me just quickly have a look. Okay, it's 15,207. So let me just change this over to 15, that 207. Okay. So is that the current price? Yeah, it is. So let me just refresh this. Okay, that's why. Yeah, this window was already lagged out. I had to refresh it. So 15 to, whoa, it's already at 14,730. Let me just change this because we definitely had some lag here. 14.7 700. Okay, this is the current price. So let me enter the position at a buy order with this price right here. So as the price oscillates now, and I think that it might go up, not right now as we're talking, but with time, it might go up to approximately the previous resistance level at 19.135. So let me just add this right here in the flip chain. So I'm gonna simulate as if I'm gonna sell it at 19.135. 135. There you go. So there you go. I would just change it to sell instead of buy here. Sorry about that. I would exit the market at that price point. So I would be gaining 30%. So I definitely believe that the DEXE can go there because it's currently on a nice little path now. I'm even thinking about getting a dip in this crypto asset myself here. So this is if you are feeling quite bullish about it. And as it does go, let's say to that 135 price point, once it's sold, I would let it fall to approximately 16,070. So let me just simulate that. So I would get back in and I'll purchase it again at 16, that let's say 70. Okay, so that would gain me an extra 14% at that point. So approximately, guys, and this would compound into 44.75. And guys, remember that when you go, for example, to your recent page here, the gains are here, okay, and they are considered gains if you exited. So if you, for example, sold, if your last position for each of these flips here, flip chains are sold. Now, if you're still in there, then you have to add the live price difference plus basically the compound with the live delta. So what it does, the compound with live delta, is just it takes this price and it adds the live delta and it's equal to the CWLD. It's that simple. It's this plus this always. So for example, you see here 44%, that's your compound, plus the price difference right now is equal to the total, so the compound with the live delta. So this is a really, really great way of knowing if you are still in the market. Like, is it time to buy or is it time to sell? It just literally tells you, like, let's say here, you see, this is a demo where the last move was, let's see here, I think, was it a sell? Let me just have a quick look here. So open this flip chain. So you see, this is a buy. So basically, like in theory, if this would be the price, it just means don't sell because the price is lower, right? So it's just telling you don't sell. Like, wait for the buy. This is the power of FlipChain, and this is why a lot of people are already following me here. And I definitely want to incorporate this in all of my videos because a lot of people are asking me how the hell is FlipChain working and why is it so easy with it to make all of these gains. Well, because it's a monitor and it helps me see exactly my next moves and it helps me see my compound. So no need to calculate all of this stuff on an Excel sheet. It's just doing it all for you here. And it's also easy to spy on others, like you can spy on me here. You just click on my name wherever you see it, and then it will send you over to my public profile, which is right here. And you can follow me and see my trades. And I'm super transparent. I want to show what I'm doing here for you guys so that you can learn from me. As you can see here, I did 12 flips with the rune. Check this out. So you can see here a lot of mini flips, and I did 38%, and this was in less than a day. So this is something really cool that I want to share with you guys because I want you guys to make money. All right, so, and by the way, yes, there's a price to FlipChain. It's free for like 5 flips, and then there's a discount, and in the link below, it's like $5 a month. It's a 90% discount, so I definitely think that it's worth it. $5 is nothing to see all of this information. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions about FlipChain, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions about the DEXE, also let me know. And you can reach me on Patreon for a one-on-one chat. All right, guys. So see you all in the next episode. Cheers.